Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting two-step verification now. Open Telegram and go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Tap two-step verification and choose Set Password. Pick a strong, memorable password. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols because this protects your cloud sessions. Once done, Telegram will ask you to confirm the password twice. Make sure to type exactly the same phrase. Also provide a recovery email when prompted so you can regain access if you forget the password. After setting the password, Telegram prompts for a recovery email. Enter one you control and verify it immediately. Add a subtle hint, something that triggers your memory but doesn't expose the password to others. Next, Telegram may show backup codes or suggest saving credentials. Copy those or store the password in a secure manager. Once done, check active sessions and revoke any unknown devices because two-step verification plus session review closes common attack paths and keeps your account safe. Complete the process by confirming settings and logging out then in to test the new flow. You'll need your password plus the SMS or device code as usual. Make sure the recovery email is active and the hint is helpful, and periodically review active sessions to revoke anything suspicious. If you get locked out, first use the recovery email to reset. If that fails, contact Telegram support. But remember, without recovery info, you may not recover encrypted cloud.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.